What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you a little quick fix video I wanted to record. It's just I'm going to be repairing the armrest of 2016 Sprinter van. And so what's going on with it? Let's go right in here, take a look at it. So if you pull back the seat cover, or actually, oh, already pulled back the bracket. There's the bracket right there, and it's got the other piece still attached right there. So I'm gonna drill out that rivet and try to weld that back to this piece, and then these two rivets right here, these two, they just pulled out right there, so they just kind of snapped loose. But I could replace that and with the new rivet, or just put bolts through there, but it'd probably be better if I could tie the other piece, weld it back together, and then have the 3 points, because there's a lot of pressure put on those armrests. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh shoot, stupid grinder. Dang it. Not sure how this cast aluminum's gonna weld up. I'll try. Maybe put a little bead back there. Maybe that'll work. Alright, so I just welded this back together. It's not the prettiest weld, but I think it will hold on this cast aluminum piece. So instead of putting rivets in there, I'm just going to replace it with little bolts and nuts on there. So I think it'll be more secure instead of those rivets failing. So let's just get to that. Alright, so this just is... So hard to get these nuts on there. Did I put it in the wrong hole? Alright, so I got the new bracket secured with the 3 bolts there. So that'll be a lot better than the old rivets that was hanging in there. And hopefully that weld should hold. So now let's just put it back together. And I'll show y'all, since I didn't show you me taking off the cover, I'll show you how this goes back on. So these, if you ever need to replace your seat covers, it's pretty easy to change out. It just goes around these clips. Pull the vinyl seat nice and tight. Then your back cover, all it does is it has these clips. It clips up in here, and let's see, it just pushes up, and then it has one screw that holds it down at the bottom. Do that. Alright, so to attach the armrest back, all you have is that one bolt right there. So you slide that in. Actually, we'll probably put it in this way. That wouldn't be right, would it? So okay, so there we go. And that's just 13mm bolt. There you go.